What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. Guys, I am so super excited that this one is back up and running. They were down for a little while because it seems they were having some supply issues getting the supplies they needed for their bags. But now it seems like they have everything all sorted out. So they're back up and running and I couldn't be happier. And I gotta say, when they took out my yearly subscription just recently, I was like, whoa. Because I paid for the year. So it's like around $280. I was like thinking somebody must have got a hold of my number or something, whatever. But anyways, it turned out it was that subscription, so I could, breathe a sigh of relief that people weren't tapping into my account. A little warning would have been nice that they were going to be up and running, but that's okay. I'm good to go. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and jump into what I got for this month. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Now, I'm not sure if this is the October bag. I think that's what this one is. I'm just not really sure because this happened super fast. All of a sudden the money came out and then they said they were back up and running and they were starting to send bags, but I'm really not sure which one this is. Let's just go ahead and see what they sent because I'm sure it's going to be fabulous. I'm super excited. Ooh, it almost fell. Okay. So the theme is, the Addams family. Look at that. I love these little cards that they send too. Between these cards and the postcards that I get from the Heroes Tower, it's my area. It's just going to be so super exciting. Okay, so it doesn't say that what month this is, but it's the Addams family, so you would think that would be for October, but I'm not really sure. Anyways, we have an awesome, I don't remember all of their names, so please don't shout at me. I've seen the Addams family. I liked it, but I just don't really remember it. But here's, I'm guessing that this is a painting by Megan E. Risk. That's usually who the artist is that they include in their bags. But I don't know who the character is. So sorry, guys. I'm going to have to look at the little sheet here because I really don't know. I've seen it, but I can't really remember. 4x6 art print. It doesn't say who it is, but I'm sure somebody out there knows who it is and you guys can tell me. Oh no, some stuff fell out, you guys. Oh, all right. I'm going to pause for a second. I'm going to pick up the stuff and come back because I really don't know where it all went and it could be a minute. So just hold on. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I hope I got it all. I think I did, but we're about to find out. Okay, let's just start digging in. So we have this little baggie with some with a keychain in it. Let's open it up here if I can get the little guy out of here. Urgh, here he is. Do you guys know who he is? I think it's super cool and I love it. I'm totally going to use all of this stuff. I know that I will. I just don't know who everybody is. I'm going to be totally honest. I forget. I mean, I like the Addams family, but I'll be honest with you guys. I don't remember. Lurch. This is Lurch. So this is a Lurch keychain. Okay. I remember the name Lurch. I'm sorry, guys. This is terrible. But you know what? I still love all this stuff. Sometimes I don't always know the characters from the theme they chose, but I still love it. Now, this has to be Cousin It. I'm pretty sure that's who that is supposed to be. I do remember that character. It was a very distinct character. This is a magnet, guys. So I will just add this to all the magnets that I have on my refrigerator. And let's just make sure that I got that right. Where is it at? Cousin It. That is who I said it was, right? I think so. I hope so. At any rate, we'll go ahead and do the pin here. This is super fun. Was not a pin person until this subscription. Okay, so who are they? Morticia and Gomez with a little heart. That is really cute. I'm pretty sure that's who the characters are. I just, honestly, guys, that's terrible. I can't remember. And I did watch it, and I liked it and all that stuff, like I said, but I don't remember. Yep, Morticia and Gomez. Wait. Is that right? It just says Addams family pin, but I think that's who they are. Okay. Anyways, okay. So I'll save that for last. We have a little baggie full of some fun jewelry, which is going to be really fun. I can tell because I love the earrings already. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty, you guys. These earrings are really pretty. Oh, how fun. Okay, let's get them out of the bag here. Oh, I love these earrings. Look how pretty they are, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love them. They would totally go with what I have on today too. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh, loving the earrings. Good choice on that. We'll set that aside. And then we have a bracelet. Let's get it out of here, guys. I'm sorry. Taking me forever. I am not perky. So you guys are probably not going to see this. I'm going to hold it up. but you're probably not going to see it because it's like black on black, but the bracelet just has this little, I don't know, gem on the end of it, and you just push it through. So it's really pretty, you guys. I mean, I like it a lot. It's definitely cute, and I will definitely wear it. Okay, so now we got a necklace. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, Caramia Moncher. Okay, and it's a coffin. All right, hold on. You guys are probably not going to see this very good. I'm going to do my best. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. I don't know. Here, I'm just going to stop now and hope that you guys can see this. I don't know. If it's really, really bad, I will try to insert a picture. No promises, because my time is running very, very thin lately. Okay, and the last thing that I have in here is I'll stop wearing black when they make darker colors. I should give this to my sister. That is hysterical. I think I might give that to my sister. That's hysterical because my sister only wears black pretty much every day, all day. And that's like the only color she ever wears. This would be so funny to give her. It's a makeup bag. I love it. That is great. Now that's like the best thing. One of the best things in the bag. Honestly, I liked the entire bag. I thought it was super cute. So Morticia Gomez necklace. So that was the little coffin necklace. I'm not perky bracelet. Okay. Red Rose Morticia earrings, super cute. The large keychain, cousin knit magnet, Wednesday inspired makeup pouch. Oh, so that's Wednesday inspired. Oh, that's who it is. This is Wednesday, isn't it? I think so. Okay, I could be wrong, but I think that's who that's supposed to be. And then the Addams Family pin in the 4x6 art print. Guys, I love this bag. I think this bag is awesome. They knock it out of the park every single time. It is worth every single penny that I spend for every bag that I get. And I honestly, it doesn't bother me to have to wait if things happen. I understand a small business is not always going to run smooth. And I know maybe a lot of other people don't understand that, but I sure do. And I am happy to have the subscription. I'm so glad that they are back up and running. So I'm really, really excited. All right, guys, I will have a link to their website in my description box below if you're interested in getting this bag. But that's all I got for this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and in today's video, they are finally back. I don't like it. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. Yay! It's not right. Try it again. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. Guys, they were on pause for quite a bit because they were having some trouble, and I'm having some trouble too, clearly. Try again. What's up, gorgeous people? Try it again. I'm Amber, and in this video, I have my Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription. I'm not going to record. I have to go get my son like really soon. I'm trying to do it too fast, and I think that's the problem. So hold on. So I was willing to wait until they got everything together and they could restart the subscriptions. Well, they hit my account for my yearly subscription, and I was like, whoa, hey, what? Is somebody... Hold on. So they just had to stop it for a little while until they could get things sorted out. And now they finally have. I'm so super excited. But I gotta say, when they took out my year, so I get my, good till then. Woo! So they just had to stop it for a little while until they could get things all sorted out. Now they have. I'm so super stoked. What? Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Now, I think this is the October bag. I'm guessing. I really don't know because all of this... Let's just do a different language or whatever language I want to do. Okay.